Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix that annoying Chrome.exe box that pops up every time you try to change your volume while watching a video. This is a common issue that can really interrupt your viewing experience, but fortunately there's a simple solution hidden in Chrome's settings. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, you'll need to access a special settings area that's not available through the regular menu. In the address bar at the top of your browser, type chrome://flags and press enter. This will take you to Chrome's experimental features page where you can enable or disable various advanced options that aren't part of the standard settings menu. Now, once the flags page loads, you'll see a search bar at the very top of the screen. This is incredibly helpful because there are hundreds of experimental features listed here, and scrolling through them all would take forever. Click on this search bar and type hardware media key handling. This specific feature is what's causing that Chrome.exe notification to appear whenever you adjust your volume during video playback. After you search for it, the relevant flag will appear right below the search bar. You'll notice there's a drop-down menu right beside the hardware media key handling option. Go ahead and click on this drop-down menu to reveal the available settings. You'll see options like default, enabled, and disabled. What you want to do here is click on disabled. By disabling this feature, you're telling Chrome to stop intercepting your media key presses, which is what triggers that pop-up box in the first place. Once you've selected disabled, you'll notice a button appear at the bottom of your screen that says relaunch. This button is important because your changes won't take effect until you restart Chrome completely. Click on the relaunch button and Chrome will automatically close and reopen with your new settings applied. Don't worry, Chrome will restore your previously open tabs so you won't lose any of your work or browsing sessions. And that's it. The Chrome.exe box should no longer appear when you're adjusting your volume while watching videos. You've successfully disabled the hardware media key handling feature, which was the root cause of the problem. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.